right on the eve of voting, would you allow it?
Yes.
Would you allow it?
That would depend on the management.
No, it doesn't depend on the management.
But I don't know why you're giving it a political.
It doesn't depend on the management. There is a model code of conduct. Exactly. And the model code of conduct is of the Election Commission, which says that the use of educational institution, including their grounds, etc., for political campaigns and rallies is not allowed. The St. Xavier's College principal in Mumbai has used his position as the principal of a college to violate the model code of conduct. Simple. And I don't know.
I don't think so. He was just.
It is less about communalism. It is about politicization of educational institution.
I'll tell you something. There's something I'd like to tell you, Arnab.
Nobody is even raising a question. But is it not misuse of an office? Why are people?
It is not a misuse of office. It is not a misuse of an office.
If somebody is using his office to further political agenda of a political party by insinuating indirectly, is it not misuse?
In fact, he would have
I make a comment?
He would have been abdicating his responsibilities as a teacher if he were not to flag the basic issues in this election. He has not violated any code. He has not spoken as a priest. He has spoken as Dr. Fraser, principal, addressing his students.
No, then in that case...
So, sir, are you okay with all community colleges of the community also issuing similar letters?
By all means. Let college principals flag. Let college principals across the country flag important points.
And you think he was being objective
of their students?
And you think John Dayal that he was being objective out there? If he was being objective, I want to ask you, John Dayal, because you have no answer. You are looking at it in a stilted and prejudiced manner.
I am prejudiced. Of course, I'm prejudiced.
No, but then if you're prejudiced,
elections are a manifestation of prejudice.
No, but one second.
I have to choose.
You can take your prejudice home, but the fact is you can't bring your prejudice to campus.
I take my prejudice to the voting booth, but this is not prejudice. He is evaluating two issues for the benefit of the students.
One second. He spoke about Gujarat. Did he speak about the communal polarization in Uttar Pradesh? Did he speak on Muzaffarnagar? Did he speak about the communal polarization in Rajasthan? Did he speak about? Did he speak about? Did he speak about the communal polarization in his own state?
There's a point I'd like to make.
Did he speak about the communal polarization in Dhule in Maharashtra, where 5 people were killed in police firing by the Congress government? Did he speak about 1984? Did he speak about inflation?
Exactly.
Did he speak about food prices?
Of course he spoke about poverty.
No, did he speak?
Sri John Dayal takes his
I am answering you. Won't you listen? I am answering you.
This is the difference.
He should have given a holistic question. He should have made a holistic definition. But he has.
So now that he hasn't,
I'd like to make a point, please.
No, 1 minute.
In that.
So at this stage of the debate,
nothing wrong in that.
No, at this stage of the debate, you admit he was not being objective. He was not giving all sides of the story.
I'd like to make a point, Arnab.
He could have been more holistic.
So he was not holistic.
But then everything should be there.
You can call it holistic. Why don't you say he could have been more balanced?
There's a point I'd like to make.
He has conceded the position.
There's a point I'd like to make.
I
have to go.
Just a minute. Derek O'Brien, Siddharth Nath Singh coming back to the debate. Dr. Kamal Jadhav, I'll come to you. Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, please.
Arnab, the lady was just saying that we should not undermine the students' ability to make an opinion. I fully agree with that. If that be the case in the defense, then what made the principal to write to the student? He should have left it open. But here, the principal doesn't give a holistic view.
There's a point I'd like to make in that context.
What he comes at is, with the last para, please hear us out also. There's no point screaming about it. The last para, what he says is that he says there is a communal and a capital alliance, and then he goes and talks about and says you should support those who talk about the Human Development Index. Now the issue is, I can go on to the Human Development Index and debate it out, because it's been debated largely on the Gujarat model. Well, the figures which he has quoted are false, but I'm not getting into it. But if this is accepted that the principal of a premier institution can write, which is against the election code of conduct, then may I ask humbly, what will happen tomorrow? The deans of IITs, IIMs, AIMS, and everybody start writing to their student and say you should vote on this direction for such and such party. Is that fair?
No, no,
Is this not influencing the
no,
students?
no. What's Ami Agnik? If you
Is
want,
this the
if
way
you
the
want,
democracy
no,
is
no,
to
one
be run
second.
by the-
One minute.
by all of us?
Ami Agnik, Ami Agnik. My question to you, Derek O'Brien. Coming back to you after this, but I need to get a response from Ami Agnik. Ami, if you want now to violate the election code of conduct, and if you now want to campaign using college principles, say it openly.
Exactly.
Say
Be
today
honest.
that we will campaign through college principles.
Arnav,
Say it openly.
Arnav, you are
Don't camouflage
asking
this.
a wrong question to the wrong party.
Well, he's supporting
you
the
are
Congress
doing
party.
Injustice to the teachers of this country. This teacher has given two perspectives of a development model. Please read the letter threadbare. Please read the letter.
So I'm asking
threadbare.
you.
He says that you choose well. No, these.
No,
are
tell me
the
one thing. I have read the letter. I have read the letter. I have it with me. I'm asking you one thing. I'm asking you one thing. I have the letter with me.
All of us have the letter.
What has he said against the Congress
All of
party?
us have the letter. I can read it out for you.
Undernutrition.
Every teacher wants to know that the students should know what development model is, and development without human
What
faith,
rubbish.
without human development is no development. That is what the academicians and researchers of this world say.
Derek O'Brien.
Commission that. This is the work of academics and
Okay,
researchers.
Arnav, can I make a point?
No, you see the fact is the Trinamool Congress is an expert at this whole subject because the
Please,
Trinamool.
Yagnik, do not scream. Let me tell you, there is a CAG report
I am
dated
not screaming.
2012-2013. Let me
screaming.
read it out for you on a
But why is
malnutrition.
BJP not having
Just
a complete
hear it out.
understanding
Then you will
of
understand what we are
development?
saying.
I think no.
Just listen
the
it.
BJP has a little
As
less
per the
understanding of
CAG in
development.
2012-2013, commended the efforts of Gujarat government for the significant decline in the extent of
But
undernutrition
here is
by about
socioeconomic
39% in span of 5 years, 2017 to 2012.
Derek
This is
O'Brien.
your CAG report, your government at the center.
No. Socio-economic review of Gujarat.
We are not discussing Gujarat.
Don't give me you must. Let's fight it out.
BJP crosstalk.
Congress, no one.
Let me give you
Arnav,
ICDS
please.
figures also now.
1 minute now.
Can I please
Arnav,
get?
can I
Can
say
I
one
please
thing?
request you to let Derek O'Brien
no.
in? By the way, Derek O'Brien, I don't
no,
want
I haven't had a word.
I don't. No, 1 minute. You see, the problem is that Derek O'Brien's party has a history of extreme intolerance vis-a-vis academics. I'd like to remind Derek O'Brien that it was his esteemed government that got a professor of Jadavpur University arrested for his depiction of Mamta Banerjee in a cartoon. So I find it very hypocritical
Where
today,
are you
Derek.
coming from, Arnob? Arnob, where are you coming from today?
I am
Is this
coming
the level
from
you
the
have to
question
stoop
of-
to when we are discussing an issue which
Yes.
involves 2 points? You're discussing an issue. You're discussing an issue. Let me have my say on that issue. Then you talk about the Jadavpur.
Can I
professor.
just tell
Where
you
are
the
going on?
context in
give
which
me-
I
give
asked
me
you?
1 minute to make 3 quick points. I will make 3 quick points. Number one, I hope today I could make the position very clear that even if the St. Xavier's principal wrote a letter which he perhaps should not have written because it was politically loaded, it is not the view of the Christian church in India. This is a
The church
very
doesn't come
important
into the
point for your
picture,
viewers to
Derek.
know today.
You are not even
Why bring the
addressing
church
this.
into the
Number two.
picture?
You're not even addressing
It
the
is
issue.
written
Why bring
by
the
a teacher.
church
Please
into the picture
understand.
at
Please
all?
understand. Number two, there are other Father Mascarinuses roaming around in these elections who are making much horrible communally insensitive things. I don't think he should have written this letter. And number three, which is the political point, the Congress and the BJP, come talk to us about women's reservation. Come talk to us about food security. Come talk to us about FDI. Don't deflect with these issues. Talk policy.
What
They
issues?
Want to BJP is overreacting. Congress is trying to use this.
Derek,
Congress
let's talk about the
Siddharth is responding to
FDI.
Derek.
Let's talk about the women
Congress have-
reservation. Let's
listen,
talk about it.
Congress have used this.
No, let's talk about it. Derek, you have a habit in every
Congress have
debate to
used
take it
this.
up where the issue
Listen,
is something different.
please.
We must talk about development in
Please.
West Bengal as a model.
There is no
I'm
issue.
willing. Arnav, you
Don't tell
call
me
Derek
about the
and I'll be there
BJP.
and we
Don't
will talk
tell me
about
about
the
the
development
BJP.
of
Don't tell me
West
about the
Bengal
Gujarat
model versus
model.
the Gujarat model.
I will write to you about the. I don't need to talk to you about the Gujarat model.
No, we'll talk.
Forget about the
I
Gujarat
will tell
model.
you
That's
what
not
you
the
all are
point of this
doing.
debate.
Shall I
The
begin
point is
how
not the debate.
the
It
workers
is
of
not.
the TMC are
It is
making
not.
bombs
You
and that
BJP,
explodes?
BJP,
Should I
you are
talk
trying to
about
make
how,
this
Okay,
into-
Arnav,
how you
I'd
are
like to
murdering
make
the
a point.
workers
Start
of the
making this
office?
comment.
Can both of you take your
What did you do
both of
in
you take your
Hyderabad?
political rant rivalries elsewhere. Just a minute. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. I want to say here tonight that just because, 1 second, Derek O'Brien and Siddharth Singh, please listen to me. Derek O'Brien and Siddharth Nath saying it is a very well-known fact that both of you, first of all, Derek O'Brien and Siddharth Nath Singh, please come back to the subject.
What did they do in Odisha?
Derek, please, just because you can't answer the question.
What did the BJP do to Christians in Odisha?
Let it be.
What did the BJP do to Christians in Odisha? You're talking about Gujarat model.
You know what has the report come out? Let's talk about West Bengal now.
What do you do to 2.4 million Christians in India?
What about
Don't
the
give me
Sharda
lectures.
scam?
If the principal
What
wrote a
about your
letter,
people
he
who
shouldn't
have
have wrote the
been invited
letter.
by the ED?
He wrote a letter. He shouldn't have wrote the
What
letter.
about the
What is the view of the church on this?
Scam
You're
which is
telling me
taking
after
place in West
Kandamahal,
Bengal?
you're giving me a lecture
What
on
about the
Gujarat model.
Jadavpur professor?
Stuff your
What
Gujarat
about
model.
that girl who was unfortunately
Don't
raped?
talk
And what
about
did the Mamata
cartoons.
Banerjee do?
Don't talk about cartoons.
Let us talk about it. What about?
Don't tell me.
What about
Listen,
the political
for once,
opposition?
you
And
are going to
how
have
you want to
listen to
listen to
me.
them?
Listen
By
to
killing
me.
them.
Listen to me.
Can I come in?
Listen to me. For once, you're going to have people talking on behalf of those 2.54 million
No,
Christians.
listen to
And
you
you
what?
better listen.
To the
You
subject.
better listen
If
to
you
us.
move away
You
from the
better
subject,
listen. Thank
you will have all the rebuttals coming
You
from
listen
me
to us.
straight away.
You will listen to
Stick
the
to the
Christian
subject.
community.
Let's
Don't
talk about
bulldoze.
the principle
and
of
the
the
Congress
St. Xavier's
also should
College.
try their.
Can you
Precisely.
both calm down for a minute, please? Please, or are you going to come to blows here? 1 minute, please, Siddharth Nath Singh and Derek O'Brien. Just a minute, please. You see, by the way, Siddharth Nath Singh and Derek O'Brien, it is a well-known fact.
He was deviating from the
1 second,
subject
where is
matter,
Derek O'Brien?
not
Has he
me.
left the program? 1 second, please. Well, the point is, Derek O'Brien has just said his piece and left. I think he should be brought back on the program. Because the fact of the matter is this, he does not want to answer any of the critical issues. One, it's not a Christian-Hindu issue. It is a issue of the misuse of office.
Exactly.
That's it. And unfortunately, John Dayal, you are also looking at it through a certain stilted
Okay,
lens.
Arnab, can I make a point, please?
Arnabji, this is what precisely
Can I
happens
make
when
a
a priest
point?
write a letter like this. You are communalizing and politicizing our educational institutions. You are poisoning our higher education.
What crap is
Please
this?
don't do this.
What utter nonsense is that?
Yeah, that
I
is
have
what
been
the priest
maintaining
did.
from the very beginning, do not bring religion into it. It is not a religious thing. He has spoken as doctor, the principal, Dr. Fraser. He is the principal. He is not speaking
Just
as
by
a Jesuit
adding
priest.
doctor doesn't make him less communal or less political.
Come on, what is this? He is speaking as the principal of a college. He is not speaking as a Catholic priest.
Yeah, exactly.
He's debating an economic issue. He's debating a social issue.
John Dayal.
He's debating a political
John
issue.
Dayal, are you not aware of the basic rules?
Are you saying that the BJP accepts this definition? That the BJP accepts
I am
that
talking
it is
about the
an
rules.
alliance?
I am talking about the rules. I have the right to information about the powers and functions of a principal. Right? This is 1 second. No principal can canvass or otherwise interfere or use his influence as a government servant in connection with or take part in an election to any legislature or local authority. The powers of a principal come under certain universities' acts. There are certain rules. You cannot be canvassing for a political party.
Correct,
and Mr.
correct.
John Dayal,
and he is not canvassing for a political party or canvassing against a political party. He is discussing issues. Please read those rules again.
Please.
Do the rules prohibit
Mr.
a
Dayal,
professor? Do the
Mr.
rules
John
prohibit?
Dayal, is he trying to open? Is it an open debate that he is invited? Are you
By
trying
all
to
means,
tell all of us that
you are
after
debating
reading that
his point of
simple
view.
email, he's asked for an open debate with the student?
Okay, Arnab, you have to let me make a point.
He is expressing his view. And it is a loaded
He is
opinion he's giving against a political party.
He is, my dear friend, he is. It is not a secret. It is not a sung secret message. It is an open situation.
So
it is an email.
Well, it's
to
nothing to do with the
thousands of
sun. And
students.
let me not bring the Christianity or the church into it,
one
Mr.
more
Dayal.
point
not
that needs to be
Hinduism.
made
Let's
in
not
this
a political
context.
phenomenon.
You're trying to overreach yourself like the principle of the Xavier. So don't bring sun, otherwise
don't
you have
be-
to talk about church.
Am I touching-
not the debate.
am I touching some raw nerves?
And what do you think?
Am
And
I
what do you
touching
think? Why
some raw
are you so
nerves?
Of the
insecure?
principle
Am I touching
with the
some raw
way
nerves?
he is acting.
Are you this group? Are you this group? The Alliance of Corporate Capital and Communal Forces? Do you admit to this?